an educational video by Patanjali Rishikul, Class 2, Subject EVS, Chapter Celebrating Together.
The greatness of a culture can be found in its festivals. Hello children, I am back here again with one more new topic. India is a land of festivals. We celebrate many festivals throughout the year. It brings joy to life and brings feeling of love and brotherhood. We celebrate festivals with our family, friends, relatives and neighbors. We exchange sweets and gifts with each other. We have lot of fun and enjoy ourselves. So children, today I am going to teach you about the different types of festivals which are celebrated in India. So let us see.
Celebrating together. Types of festivals. We celebrate 3 types of festivals in India: religious festivals, harvest festivals, and national festivals. Now let's start with religious festivals. Children, do you know what are religious festivals? Yes. People follow different religions all over the country. The festivals they celebrate are called religious festivals. Some religious festivals are Dussehra, Durga Puja, Diwali, Christmas, Guru Purab, Eid, Holi, etc. Dussehra. Dussehra is a festival that is celebrated to mark the victory of Lord Rama over Ravana. We also call it Vijayadashmi, which means the victory of good over evil. Durga Puja. Durga Puja is celebrated around the same time as Dussehra. People wear new clothes and pray to Goddess Durga for 5 days. Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. On this day, people decorate their houses with candles and diyas. They wear new clothes and exchange sweets. Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. Lord Jesus Christ was born on this day. On Christmas, people go to the church to pray and sing Christmas carols. They also decorate Christmas trees with gifts, stars, lights and bells. Children wait for Santa Claus who gets gifts for them. Guru Purab. On Guru Purab, Sikhs remember one of their 10 Gurus. They decorate the Gurudwaras with flowers and lights and recite verses from the Guru Granth Sahib, which is the holy book of the Sikh. People eat langar from a common kitchen. Langar is a free meal served in a Gurudwara. Eid. Eid is a festival that marks the end of the month of fasting called Ramzan or Ramadan. People pray in mosques and wish each other Eid Mubarak. They cook a special sweet dish called Sivaiya. Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. It marks the end of winter and beginning of summer. People gather around a huge bonfire on Holi Eve. The next day, people splash colored water on each other and apply gulal. Sweets like gujia are made at home and enjoyed by all. Now let us see what are harvest festivals. Harvest festivals are celebrated when crops are ready to be cut. We call them by different names in different parts of the country, such as Baisakhi in Punjab, Bihu in Assam, Pongal in Tamil Nadu, and Onam in Kerala. Baisakhi. Baisakhi is the harvest festival celebrated mainly in Punjab. People bathe in a holy river, sing songs, and do bhangra and gidda on Baisakhi. Bihu. Bihu is the biggest harvest festival of Assam. People dance and sing Bihu songs on this day. People exchange traditional sweets and greetings at this time. Pongal. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. People thank the sun god, rain, and farm animals that have helped in the harvest. They decorate their houses with kolam. Kolam is a rangoli made of rice powder. They cook rice with jaggery and milk and offer it to the sun god. Onam. Onam is celebrated in Kerala. It is a rice harvest festival. It lasts for 10 days. People decorate elephants, have boat races, play games, and pray to King Mahabali. They wear new clothes and make rangoli of flowers. Let us see what are national festivals. The festivals of national importance are called national festivals. We have 3 national festivals, that is Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Republic Day. India became a republic on 26th January 1950. Every year there is a huge, colorful parade in New Delhi at Rajpath to celebrate it. The President of India takes the salute at the parade. Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. This was the day when India got independence from British rule in the year 1947. On this day, the Prime Minister of India unfurls the national flag and gives a speech to the country from the Red Fort, Delhi. Gandhi Jayanti. 2nd October is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. We celebrate it as Gandhi Jayanti. We call him the father of the nation.
Festivals add to the health, wealth, and happiness of everyone. They are a welcome change in our daily life. So children, let's share our happiness by celebrating together. Thank you.